I really want interaction from all you guys on this because this is a huge project for me. I do have a full-time job. I'm not like all the other people on YouTube who just do YouTube as their full-time job. And as I said, I have 3 kids. My wife stays at home taking care of the kids all the time. So I don't always have the most time to work on this. And the other thing is it has to be very budget friendly. That's my biggest thing with this. I'm to the point right now though that I keep buying a vehicle and we drive it for a year or two and then things start going majorly wrong with it. Like my last car. Our last car was a Buick Century, a 2003 Buick Century, and the transmission started going out in it. So I sold it. This one, I decided, A, I like it way too much, and B, I'm tired of selling and buying a new car all the time. So I'm just going to fix it 100%. Like I said, it's got 158,000 miles on it, but with the work that I'm going to put into it and the care that's going to go into it, that's not really going to matter. I want this thing to last for quite a while. This is going to be my restoration project. This is going to be my 64 Mustang. And just for a heads up, once this is done on the channel's not going to be done. I've really been looking into Copart auctions a lot lately. When this is done, we're probably going to find something for my wife and fix something up for her that's really nice. That way we each, because right now this is the only vehicle that we have, and we've been doing it this way for a long time, and it is difficult, but we make it work because we're on a tight budget with having 3 kids and stuff like that. So yeah, there you go. Like I said, if you have any ideas, you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you want to talk trash about Chevys or Tahoes or me personally, fill it out down in the comments, guys. I need your interaction on this because there are a lot of things on here that I don't know how to do. There's a lot of things on here that I don't know what I want to do. So keep up with this, guys. Thanks for watching our second video here. Again, sorry about the break, but the first video just got to be a little long. We're going to have another video up here soon. As I mentioned before, you're going to kind of see the idea that we're going for with this truck. Give you a little spoiler right now. This truck is now named the Copperhead. Stay tuned.